In this video, I'm gonna show you how to combine first name and last name, and also how to separate full name into first name and last name. The first option will be to use the function concatenate, and then we click into the first name. Here is the cell A2, comma, and then the last name B2. But here there is trick. So if you see here, there is no space between the first and last name. So to make a space, we need to make a space using this symbol and have space in between. Like this, it will be the same. Now we got the space. So concatenate first name space last name. For the second option, we can just write formula. So A10 Sarah, and then create the space, and then and then B10 Smith. For separate, we have two ways as well. So the first one will be using the function split. We click into the full name, and then we have to mention how it's splitted. In this example, it's splitted by space. And then the last option will be, we select data, we go to data, and then we go to split text to colon, and then we have to mention how it's separated. In this case, it's separated by space.